Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Mullen Automotive. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, June 22, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Mullen Automotive? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since June 21, 2022, our system ranks the Mullen Automotive stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 5.875. In this period the stock has had a gain of 5.26%. This is an average return of 2.63% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Mullen Automotive, our last headline reads, high volatility in Mullen Automotive stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $1.60. The Mullen Automotive stock price gained 5.26% on the last trading day, Wednesday, June 22, 2022, rising from $1.52 to $1.60. And has now gained 7 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day the stock fluctuated 13.25% from a day low at $1.51 to a day high of $1.71. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 19.4% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -9 million shares and in total, 93 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $148.55 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $15.90, and the lowest price was 52 cents. Right now the price is 89.94%, or $14.30, below 52-week high at $15.90, which also is all-time high for the stock. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -52.40% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -37.37% and 10.1%. The 12-month trend indicates a -99.79% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -38.02% and -37.53%. This equals a price between 99 cents and $1 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Mullen Automotive stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Mullen Automotive stock a strong sell rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Mullen Automotive. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Mullen Automotive stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $1.28 and $1.17. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, May 11, 2022, and so far it has risen 100.05%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 29 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal not applicable days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 117 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 114 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Mullen Automotive. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.42 and $1.40. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Mullen Automotive finds support just below today's level at $1.42. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.40 and $1.29. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 20 cents between high and low, or 13.25%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 14.1%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Mullen Automotive meets first resistance at $1.69. If you do not hold Mullen Automotive shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Mullen Automotive finds first level of support at $1.42, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Mullen Automotive is neutral. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 15, 2022, Mishiri David made an inside sell of 150,000 of common stock. On May 23, 2022, Mishiri David made an inside sell of 750,000 of common stock. On April 22, 2022, Sadler Carey made an inside sell of 1,000 of common stock. On April 9, 2022, Sadler Carey made an inside sell of 1,000 of common stock. On April 8, 2022, Popa Colleen made an inside buy of 100,000 of common stock. Based on the 57 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 6.765. In total, the insiders bought 3,511,155 and sold 2,949,082 shares in the last 57 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $1.55, minus 3.34%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 28 days ago. Is Mullen Automotive stock a buy? Mullen Automotive holds several positive signals, and despite the stock being in a falling trend, we considered it to be a good choice at these current levels. We expect Mullen Automotive stock will perform very well in the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 23rd, we expect Mullen Automotive to open up $0.0067 and start trading at $1.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.